Hi everyone. A quick preview of the session that's actually occurring later on today. Okay, we will be, hopefully we will be in 2:35. We'll get started, MH214, and we'll make it well worth your time. Okay, we have some objectives and goals, and so we want to be a little more aware, identify what will work in your situation, determine what challenges might exist, what issues might you have. So here are the things we're going to cover right here. I do these things so it's easy for me to talk about them. We're going to talk about a board capture. When you finish class, I take my iPad, I take a couple clips of the board, I put it in Explain Everything, which I'm using right here. I do a summarization, talk a little bit, make some, maybe some important points about it, publish it on YouTube, value in and out of class. We'll talk about that. That's got some interesting points. What values are there in the fact students know I'm going to do that, and out of class values. Next thing, other materials. We'll go through and I'll show you some podcasts, one option for publishing them, how I make them, and how you can use TED Ed to enrich that. And I will show you some cool things on that too here in just a minute. Then we'll do a little bit of how I use Google and research, and I got a class, a couple classes, a couple sections of a class in which they do their work in an outline, and I can monitor how they're doing that. And I'll give a little bit of course management, a couple of things that other teachers are using or aware of. I will not give any examples, but we just mentioned those. All right. Well, as an example, today I got this email from TED Ed that Aaron had posted something. Okay, and so I go into my TED Ed, real easy to do. Of course, it's always easy for a tech guy to say it's real easy to do. And here are the students' work for that particular video. This happens to be a video I grabbed from the internet, but most of them are my own. And then, let me show you one done. I actually could go in and see what his comments were when I looked at the discussion part. The think part were the answers to multiple choices. So we're going to go through how to use some of that stuff. We'll do an actual example and hopefully get your mind spinning a little bit about how some technology might work well in your courses, and of course hear my opinion on all of that. That's it.